Starting June 28th, Verizon is going to give you all the voice and text messaging you want for free, but all that data you use is going to move to a new Share Everything plan. You'll have one account for your phone, tablet, and computer, and they'll all pull from the same data allotment. Your family plan can have 10 devices, all using the same pool of bits and bytes. In the past few years, we've been making fewer and fewer phone calls. We're sending more text messages and using more data instead. So the phone companies aren't making as much money on voice as they used to. Besides that, calls and text are easy to transmit, but data uses a lot of bandwidth and forces the phone companies to upgrade their networks. Incidentally, Verizon's stock jumped to a 4-year high after yesterday's announcement. Under the new plan, you'll pay for two things every month: a pool of data and a fee for adding a device. 1 gig of data is $50 a month, 4 gigs is $70, and 10 gigs is $100. Adding a smartphone with unlimited calling and texting is $40, a laptop is $20, and adding a tablet is another $10. Verizon says it'll still honor your existing unlimited data plan, but the last time they promised that, it only lasted until you upgraded your phone. Then you were forced into a tiered plan. Analysts expect this is just the beginning. They believe other carriers will follow suit in the near future. There are already rumors that AT&T is considering a similar change. Marshall McPeak, NBC4.